Okay, so we're Purple Platypus out of Irvine, and we're a Stratasys reseller. And Stratasys has 5 different technologies: PolyJet for full color, FDM, DLP, SLA, and then powder bed as well for powdered nylon. So we sell the printers and also provide the services from those printers if people just want parts or engineering services. Of interest is we also are now able to print on fabric. So we can do full fashion 3D color 3D printing as well.
Where can they find you?
Irvine. Or website is www.purpleplatypus.com.
That's going to cost you more than that.
Remember the Jasper?
You don't.
Sell the print.
Yeah, but I mean, if it's a light, if it's you'd have to probably cover it with like a UV spray protection. Yeah. I might have an application for something like this. Yeah. And I would want it to be like a well, maybe like a yellow. But I would want it also. It's going to sit outside all the time. So I'm concerned about how UV is going to. I used to do business with you guys. Her last name is Swam. Hey. Yeah, she knows me. Oh, she knows? She orders CNC parts from me before. Okay, got it. Okay. Back in the day when I was at Mina Prada, I used to deliver parts to you guys. Really? Yeah, about how long does it take? For this stuff, it's a bit more step by step.